Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you our inventory management system. So this is our logging screen. So after logging, we will get this screen, and we are selecting the all modules. Now we are going to item setup, and in here you can see that group setup, unit of measurement setup, item information. So we are going to the group setup, and in here we can set up the groups, and we can go to the unit of measurement setup. We can set up in here. There are a lot of options in here, and in the item information we can get some item informations from here. And to set up a new item, we can create new. Then we select the group. We're giving the item name, we're giving the price, unit of measurement, identity type, stock method, and if there is batch required, expirable, this information. Now we will go to the purchase requisition. To up the product, we are going to the status. We are selecting store. So these are the previously requisition items. We can see the status in here. We can go to the verify option. We can also select any specific item to search it. So we are just verifying it. Now we are going for request for quotation. If we have any tender, we can select some information from here. Suppose we have some previous information, we are selecting that. Now we are going to the purchase order. So we are selecting the department in here. So these are the requisition are pending in here. So you can search it in here, and you can see these all the information come here. And if there is any terms and condition, we can also put the terms and condition. And now we are giving the shipping location, address, and the attendant person. And now a report, we can also generate a report in here. And now we can also see the status. So I'm selecting the store. Now I'm going to the purchase order verify. So I'm selecting store, and I can also edit from here. Suppose I am searching a specific purchase order, and in here there is option verify, cancel, and hold. So I'm verifying one item. So now I can see the verify status. Again, I'm selecting store. Now I'm going to the good receive. After the PO verify, the product will become in this section. In here I can give the document number. We can give the expired date and batch number. And if there is any free item, we can also set the free item in here. Suppose I am selecting just one item that is free. So I can select the item. That this item actually I get from the actual product. This is a free item, and free quantity is 1, and I can save it. I can see the status now. Here it shows the status, and I can also run a report from here. Now I'm going to the quality assurance. After the receipt of the product, it comes to the quality assurance. So I'm saving the items in here, and I'm selecting the status to see the status, and I can also generate a report in here. After that, I'm going to the stock transaction. So the product actually up into our database. So all the transaction actually showing in here date wise. I can select the date and search it in here. And I can also generate the report from here. In here it shows the stock transaction report. And now I'm going to the stock summary. In here I can see the summary wise report. And there is also department wise summary report. I can select different departments in here, and I can see the summaries. And if I want to return the product, I can select the return to supplier, and I am selecting store and local market. And here suppose I am returning some item. Now I am going to internal requisition. So I can select the department from here. There will be items will come here automatically, and I can select the items from here. And after that I can see the requisition status. Now I'm going to internal requisition verify. So I can verify the item from here. So I'm verifying the item, save it, and I can see the verify status in here. Now I'm going to issue by store. In here the requisition items are in here showing as a pending. I'm running a report in here. Now I'm selecting consumption. Suppose I'm selecting some product in here. And I'm giving some amount in here. Suppose I'm selecting damage, and I'm saving it. Now I can see the status in here. And I can run the report, and I can see which item is only verified. So I'm showing a report. Now I'm going to the summary. Now I'm selecting stock audit. And now in here I can match the physical stock with the logical stock. Suppose I'm selecting a product in here. Suppose it shows the quantity is 30, and suppose I got 29. And in here I got 10 out of 5. I'm giving the batch number and giving the expire date, and I'm saving it. And I can see the status in here. So the color green is already audit verified, and the blue is not verified yet. Okay, we are going to the verify option now, and we can select, and we can search a particular product and select the verify. Now I can see the verify status, selecting the store. Now Recon Solution. So to adjust the product, we need the Recon Solution. Suppose in here we are selecting some item. So I'm saving it, and after that I'm seeing the status of the product, and after that I'm selecting the store again to verify it. Now I am selecting invoice entry and verification. We can create an invoice in this section. So we're going to the payment and refund. After that we are going to the verify option. So we are verifying it. There are many different reports can be generated by our system. Now I'll show you some reports. In here is department wise stock summary. This is item consumption. This is opening balance report. This is issue received. This is purchase requisition. This is purchase order. This is Recon Solution report. And return internal external report. Internal requisition report. This is GRN report. This is item consumption or value. This is GRN report price wise. This is issue received pending report. This is purchase order report. This is department wise stock summary FIFO method. This is item stock and stock value report. This is issue report. This is internal requisition report. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Thank you.